Your car's cooling system plays a crucial role. In the simplest terms, it's what literally keeps it from blowing a gasket. Your vehicle's cooling system works by circulating a fluid through the engine, where it absorbs heat, and then through the radiator, where it cools back down. The main components of your car's cooling system are the water pump, coolant, thermostat, radiator, and the fan. If any of these components fail, it can cause your engine to overheat. But what are the signs that your engine is overheating? A rising temperature gauge, a warning light, and steam coming out from under your hood are all signs that your car is overheating. So, what should you do if that happens to you? First, kill the AC and crank the heat. This will reduce the load on your engine and help to extract its heat while you plan your next move. Second, find a safe space to pull over and turn off your car. Wait 15 minutes while watching the temperature gauge. It should slowly go down back to the normal range. While you wait, call for a tow truck or NAPA roadside assistance. If you can't get your car towed, restart it once it's cooled down and slowly drive to your local NAPA AUTOPRO shop while keeping an eye on the engine temperature. If your car starts overheating again, pull over and wait for it to come down again. Now you know the importance of your car's cooling system to keep it safely driving down the road. If you ever have issues with your car's cooling system, you can trust your local NAPA AUTOPRO Service Centre to maintain and repair your vehicle.